Dear students, warm welcome to you all. Today I am here with part 5 of the chapter number 1, the story of village Palampur. In this chapter, we have already discussed description of the village, factors of production in detail, and farming is main production activity. Today we are going to discuss non-farm production activity. Only 25% of the people working in Palampur are engaged in activities other than agriculture. Now we will learn about this in detail. Number 1, dairy. Dairy is the other common activity along with farming in village Palampur. Dairy is common activity in many families of Palampur. People feed their cattle with different type of grass and jowar and bajra that grows in the rainy season. They sold milk in nearby villages. Two traders have set up collection center in nearby village from where the milk is transported to far away town and cities. This way we can say dairy is common in village Palampur after main production activity farming. Here we have to keep in mind farming is supporting activity to dairy in Palampur. Number 2, small scale manufacturing. Small scale manufacturing is the other non-farm activity carried out by the people of village Palampur. At present, less than 50 people are engaged in manufacturing in village Palampur, and manufacturing are done on a small scale. They are carried out at home or in the field with the help of family labor. They rarely hire labor for manufacturing because they are doing manufacturing on a small scale. So family labor is enough to carry out this small scale manufacturing. For example, Misri Lal has purchased a mechanical sugarcane machine and he has set up this machine into his field. Misri Lal buy sugarcane from other farmers of the village and proceed it into jaggery. The jaggery is sold into nearby town. This way Misri Lal make small profit. So we can say that small scale manufacturing is another non-farm activities carried out by the people of village Palampur. Number 3, shopkeeping. People involved in the trade are not many in village Palampur. Means very few people are engaged in shopkeeping. The traders of Palampur who buy various goods from wholesale markets in the cities and sell them into village. Some general stores of the village are selling a wide range of items such as rice, wheat, sugar, tea, oil, biscuits, soaps, notebook, pen, pencil, and even clothes for kids. Those people whose houses are close to bus stand they are selling eatable. This way, we can say that shopkeeping is the third non-farm activity in village Palampur, which provide variety of essential to the people of village Palampur. From these shops, people are able to purchase their necessities. Number 4. Transport. Transport is a fast developing sector as non-farming activity in village Palampur. Variety of vehicles on the road of Palampur connect the village to nearby villages. Rickshawalas, tongawalas, jeep, tractor, truck drivers and people driving traditional bullock cart and bogies are the people who are engaged in transport services. They carrying people and goods from one place to another place and in return get paid for it. The number of people involved in transport has grown over the last several years. At present, the non-farm sector in village is not very large. Out of every 100 workers in the rural areas in India, only 24 are engaging in non-farm activities. This way, non-farm activities in village Palampur provide opportunity of employment to very few people. As we discussed, farming is the main production activity in village Palampur and 75% of the village are dependent on farming. We will meet again in the last lecture of the chapter very soon. Thank you very much to all of you for your support.